Imagine making a perfect slushie at home, no ice needed. The INOVIVA Slushie Machine is a game changer for frozen drinks. With its innovative cooling technology, it eliminates the need for ice, preserving the pure flavor of your favorite beverages. Whether you crave a frozen margarita, a frappé, or a classic milkshake, this machine delivers smooth and delicious results every time. No more worrying about watered-down drinks, just pure, flavorful refreshment in every sip. Ease of use is at the heart of this design. The INOVIVA Slushie Machine features 5 preset modes, allowing you to make a variety of drinks with just a press of a button. Simply pour in your beverage, choose your mode, and let the machine do the rest. In just 15 to 45 minutes, you'll have a perfectly chilled slushie, customized to your preferred thickness with 5 different levels to choose from. Whether you like a soft, icy texture or a thicker, creamier consistency, this machine has you covered. Need to serve a crowd? No problem. The upgraded S2.0 model boasts an 88-ounce capacity, making enough for up to 9 people in one batch. Perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a refreshing treat on a hot day. Since drinks expand as they turn into slushies, it's recommended not to exceed the max fill line for the best results. Cleaning is just as effortless. Simply add water and activate the self-cleaning mode, and the machine does the rest. The installation and removal process is easy, making it simple to maintain. Plus, for tougher stains, the included cleaning brush ensures a hassle-free experience. No more scrubbing for hours, just a quick, convenient clean so you can get back to enjoying your drinks. Customization is key, and the INOVIVA Slushie Machine offers plenty of it. Each preset mode has 5 levels of thickness, so you can experiment to find the perfect consistency for your taste. Want a thinner, more refreshing drink? Select a lower setting. Prefer a thick and creamy frozen treat? Go for the higher settings. And if you're a fan of boozy slushies, there's something for you too. Just keep in mind that beverages should have at least 5% sugar content. And if you're making alcoholic slushies, the alcohol content should be between 2.8% and 16%. Drinks without sugar won't freeze properly, so for the best results, follow the recommendations. The INOVIVA Slushie Machine is a must-have for any frozen drink lover. It's convenient, versatile, and designed for effortless enjoyment. Whether you're craving a quick frappé in the morning, a refreshing slushie in the afternoon, or a frozen margarita to unwind in the evening, this machine does it all. It's perfect for homes, small gatherings, and even special occasions where you want to impress guests with delicious frozen drinks. So, if you love icy treats without the hassle of ice, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Say goodbye to messy blenders and inconsistent textures. INOVIVA delivers professional quality results at the press of a button. Ready to elevate your home beverage experience? Give the INOVIVA a try and enjoy frozen drinks like never before.